Howdy everyone, this is Asta Joshi and you're watching Learning Never Stops, and today we're going to learn this really special song. I will be telling you why it is special. So there's gonna be some talking here. If you want to skip it, go ahead to the lesson, okay? Otherwise, here we go. This song is बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं, and this song is extremely special to the core to me because I sing this song as a lullaby to both my girls. And when my little one was born, she was born under some condition and she was not healthy. She was not with me in the beginning, almost 1 month. So when she came back home, I would sing this song to her every night, every time, in fact, whenever she would sleep. And then she was really weak. Then after around 3 months, she started singing this song with me, and hence it became so much more special. So yes, this is the story behind this song. I love this song. This song to me is not a song. This song to me is love. This song to me is a bond that I have with my children. This song to me is a lullaby to them. That's why I kept this song very simple to the core, because उसकी simplicity में ही इस गाने की खूबसूरती बसती है, what I personally feel. So I've kept it very simple, very easy. I've not used any fancy strumming as well, okay? However, you might want to go and see Sayali's tutorial on it. She's done amazing job as well. She's used few more chords which sound amazingly polished, and uska strumming pattern bhi bahut acha hai. So if you want to try out that strumming pattern, go ahead, okay? Do look at her tutorial, okay? But coming to this tutorial, we're going to use very few chords here, not too much. लास्ट में मैंने येलो का एक लाइन डाली है, वो भी मैं आपको बता दूंगी. So the chords we're going to use are very easy, basic chords. We're going to use C, which is the first string of your 3rd fret. Then we're going to use A minor, which is the 4th string of your 2nd fret. Then we don't lose your A minor, just take your index finger, put it on the 2nd string of the 1st fret. This becomes F, okay? Then don't lose your F, just take your ring finger, put it right behind your middle finger on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. This becomes D minor. Yellow में मैं थोड़ा सा G भी use करूँगी, okay? So yeah, these are the chords we're going to use here. Coming to the strumming pattern, so I'm just using down strums here. So I sometimes use single down strums, and then I use down strums with the tempo of, or with the beat of boom 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 boom. बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं, boom 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 boom. Okay, so the strumming pattern is this. Very easy, very simple. Use your thumb, guys. Use your thumb gently, because it's a very soft song. This song is a flow. It's a flow. Beautiful flow. Okay, so keep it very soft and just sing it with your heart, and this song will transcend you to some beautiful place. Trust me. Okay, let's get started.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so I'm just gonna go very fast with this song, because the song does not really require any exchange of words. It's all emotions, okay? और बहुत ही easy switches हैं, okay? थोड़ा बहुत मैं बोलूँगी, but I will try to sing and everything will flash here, okay? Let's start with C, okay? 1, 2, 3, let's go. I picked this song up from हम तुम कितने पास है, कितने दूर है चांद सितारे, and boom boom boom. हम तुम कितने पास है, कितने दूर है चांद सितारे, सच पूछो तो मन को झूठे लगते हैं ये सारे, मगर सच्चे लगते हैं ये धरती, ये नदियाँ, ये रहना और तुम। ओ के कैसे कल सुबह जाओगे बुम 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 आहा तुम बिन सब कुछ छोड़ के कैसे कल सुबह जाओगे मेरे साथ इन्हें भी तो तुम याद बहुत आओगे मगर सच लगते हैं ये धरती ये नदियाँ ये रहना और तुम see look at the stars the colors shine for G you and everything you A minor do and one on F they were called C yellow beautiful good job well done you all wow this song gives me ek hota na that some song they give you freshness they just make you fresh and feel all set this song on the other hand gives me relaxation this song gives me meditation this song gives me peace of mind I can just sleep now so yeah I will now going to relax because I'm really tired you can see it on my face so I'm gonna do that I will see you next time until then adios amigos and amigas I love you all bye